in Animal Company, to get the gist of it, we're doing Undertale fights. Yay. Sans. Okay, let's get this over with. You want to be Sans this time? You want to be Sans this time?
Yeah, I'll be Sans. I just need a few bones. Dang,
okay. Well, I'll get you a few bones. I'll get you a few bones.
Yeah, I need a few bones because I don't have them unlocked. You put a bone on your back.
Oh, my bad.
Boner.
Is that enough?
Why can't I put this right here? Is it like impossible to put
Nothing's impossible, only the mission.
Hold on, how do you like put it right here? I'm trying to put it... Whatever. Sans.
Here is your bag of bones.
My bag of bones? Like the Cheetos thing?
Yeah.
Cheetos, bag of bones.
Yeah.
Do you think even the worst person can change?
One sec, I just need the frying pan.
A good person if they just try? Well, here's a better question. Do you want to have a bad time?
Sure, bring it on.
Alright, I need to say my quote first. I need to say the quote.
I listened to it already.
I don't care.
Okay, this is first attempt of me. This is our first attempt on Switch Roll, so this is his first time being Sans, and this is my first time.
It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like these, options like me can't afford not to care anymore.
Oh jeez, this is the last one. This is just a...
Miss.
What? Oh no, I actually missed that time.
Miss.
Oh jeez, that was weird. That was weird. That hurt me.
Miss.
One sec. Oh. One sec. I'll revive you. I just...
I'm over here, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Oh jeez. Maybe I should
block. Block. Oh geez, this is actually getting kind of... One sec. I just need to... Catch me off guard.
Wait, okay. This is the last one of last breath.
But it refused.
No
effect.
It refused. Okay, now you gotta give the lines for this.
Like the speech?
Yeah, you're Gaster now.
Alright.
You're Gaster.
Alright. Finally. It's been so long since I've been connected. Blah blah blah. Can you imagine it? A world in which everything is the same. A world in which everything is at peace. A world like that can exist without you. Oh wait, no, that's not the theme.
Yeah, that. I think I just messed everything up. I just punched my phone off the thing.
Alright, I guess your sounds now.
Wait, can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Just making sure I didn't accidentally close Discord. Oh my gosh, I think I just jammed my pinky. I'll be right back. Okay. Now it's my turn to be. So I did a little off-camera work. Okay. But I won't be able to record it, so I can't. Oh, geez. Wait, but before we do that, let's do this last one. Let's do this last one. Dude, where are you? I guess his headset died. Yeah, we're on a Discord call because he can't hear me talk. Oh, I swear if this happens in the video, I'll be the first to know. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll continue this one day with a new boss. Until then, we're gonna call it quits here for now. So